gentlemen, hold my attention, please. It is an absolute honor and privilege to be here amongst you today, alongside our good friends. Today, beneath the colors of two great nations, we gather to honor the enduring friendship that has existed between us and France for the last several years. A bond forged in sacrifice, courage, and mutual love of liberty. We remember with gratitude General Rochambeau, Comte de Grasse, and the soldiers and sailors of His Majesty and of France in assisting us in our cause of liberty. Without their assistance, we would not be where we are today. Here in Yorktown, New York, along with the Washington-Rochambeau Revolutionary Route, we stand upon the ground where this alliance came to fruition and was finally formed in a way that would establish itself from New York, Yorktown, New York to Yorktown, Virginia. I think a very pertinent reference. But this alliance came together in this great place and then came to its fruition several hundred miles to the south in my home of Virginia. It is a strange thing for me to stand upon this ground and recognize the friendship that has now grown between myself and the French General Rochambeau and others. 20 years ago, this friendship was not as strong as it is today. One might say it was not a friendship at all. The French and I have a long history of tension. There has been frustrations back and forth, but the important thing is we have laid those things aside in pursuit of a greater cause. This idea of liberty that is embraced in the minds and hearts of Americans as well as the French themselves have brought us together, past differences laid aside in the pursuit of a greater cause, that of liberty, not just of country but of individuals. These ideals of freedom and independence and natural human rights are ingrained and owned by each and every one of us. As a friend of mine once said, the laws of nature and of nature's God entitle us to certain things: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Good. You did your part very well. So with that being said, without further ado, allow us, please, to raise our glasses, those who have them, and our voices, those who do not, to the Franco-American Alliance, to the soldiers and sailors of France, to the American cause, and to an enduring friendship of liberty and freedom for all. 3 cheers! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Ready! Go, y'all! Okay. Hold up. Oh yeah, we got it. We got space. General. Okay, what's that, y'all? What's up? Cover. Franco!
Dakota.
You're all right.
Dakota.
Over there. Starting over there.
All right. You're right. Make ready. Set. Fire.
Fire! Okay, it's just one musket firing. This isn't scary. Not me. This isn't scary. Take it.
Good.
Hey, climb along. Yeah, you get it.
Come to a stroller when ready. Right, or your left. Your left or your right. Make ready.
Oh no, they're gonna fire again.
Presentier. On.
Reproduction. There are.
I would like to.
Riders down in Puerto Rico. Good luck to have them, but tried it yesterday.
Climb along. Come to the shoulder when ready. Moving battalion, brigade, fire. Make ready.